gonna need this morning. Early start to the day. We are in Charleston, of all places. Charleston Highland Games on the day. Weather not so good. Windy, rainy, possible flooding. So if I'm gonna be a drown rat today, you're coming along for the ride. Hey, future me here. So, much to the dismay of so many people, the games were cancelled. But for good reason. It was so wet and so cold, and the riverbanks that it was on were an inch or so from bursting. The games organizers all took this into consideration and decided to cancel the games to protect us and others that could be in harm's way. So kudos to those guys, thank you. But that didn't mean it was a ruined day. The Charleston Pipes and Drums decided to move everything inside to a local factory owned by one of their members. So the Charleston Pipes and Drums decided to move all the food and drink and instruments into the local factory. We asked Jamestown and Rosendub from New York to join us, and boy was it a great time. We had pulled pork that was cooked from 7 p.m. until midday, and so many different types of whiskey. People bought food for potluck, and we made an amazing day of it. We played music, we took pictures, we caught up with old friends, we made new friends. Later on, as the weather improved, we moved to some local bars in the area and continued the merriment and played outside in the street. We did what pipe bands do best: make the most of a bad day and create new stories to tell years from now. So I think that's just proof that no matter what the day throws at you, you can turn it around. You can make the most of whatever you're given. As an update, congratulations to Dermot Palmer. I managed to catch him wearing one of my shirts, so he wins the tenor mallets that I was giving away. Thanksgiving is just around the corner, so right now I want to say I am thankful for all of you, for my friends, for my family. I'm now going to go watch a premiere video from Gemma Briggs. She's just releasing that now. I'll put a link to that video in my description below. It's good to have her on YouTube. Stay tuned for more collabs and more giveaways. I'm going to start a small mini-series on tenor drums, just kind of, how we hold the sticks, how we tie them off, how we flourish, and, just some basics like that. Happy Thanksgiving, and I'll see you all next time.
Hey, fan contest is back on. All the judges are inside drinking.